Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make 鶏と野菜のだし煮. It's like stew or Japanese version of pot au feu. Very easy to make. You just need to cut everything, put them all in a pot and braise. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this 鶏と野菜のだし煮, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken thigh, cabbage, carrot, onion, potato, 1 tablespoon of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, and 2 teaspoons each of salt and soy sauce. Let's cut all the vegetables into chunky pieces. So carrot, peel the skin. Cut the top off. Cut into half, then into half long way. All into the pot. Potatoes, peel the skin. Remove the eyes if you see any. Cut them into half and into the pot. Onion, cut the top off. Peel the skin. Keep the bottom on and cut into 4. Then into the pot. And cabbage. I'm going to cut it into 4 and make sure every piece has this core. Put them aside and let's cut the chicken. You can make this with the skin on or skin off, either way you like. I'm going to remove it. Trim all the fat. And let's cut it into 4. Same for the other one. And into the pot. All the seasonings and 3 cups of water into the pot. Hondashi, salt, soy sauce, and water. Then cabbage like a lid. on. It won't close, but it's okay. It will eventually. Let's bring it to boil. I cooked it for 10 minutes or so and I can hear it boiling and the lid is almost closed. Turn the heat to medium-low and keep cooking for another 20 to 30 minutes. Cooked for 20 minutes and it looks like everything is well cooked. Let's turn the heat off and serve in the bowl. Don't forget to put some broth too. And 鶏と野菜の出汁煮 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Everything is so soft and you can easily cut it using chopsticks. Itadakimasu. It's such a simple dish with simple ingredients, but it's loaded with umami and it's delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. 鶏と野菜の出汁煮 is the main, so it goes here, and it's a soupy dish, so let's pass the soup. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about spinach salad for one of the side dishes, some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one, and sake no takikomi gohan here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.